It's a Sunday again for me, but you guys will see this on a Monday. So yeah, let's get started with the weekly tech news. I keep thinking there's not much. Oh, this week it's very quiet, and then I realize, shit, no, I'm getting forgetful. There is enough news for a week. So Google has finally released the Google Assistant on Galaxy Watch 4. Yes, the long-awaited release is here. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it worth the long wait? I think it is bad. Nobody said amazing things so far about it. It is a limited release with just 10 countries, and a lot of people in India and other countries where it's not released had to change their settings to English US as language to even download it. At this stage, I feel Google, yeah, just leave it bro. Let it die. Don't even try. Yeah, that's right. It wasn't intentional, but leave Wear OS. You've messed it up so bad that nothing works. As someone who's owned multiple Wear OS watches, and before that it was called Android Wear, it is not worth it. Yeah, I don't even wear those watches. It's dead. Okay. Twitter Circle is rolling out to more people, to more users, and Circle is like the group of people that you can select. So your tweets can only be seen with those people. I think 150 is the limit by those limits. So you can have 10, 20, whatever, but up to 150 people. Also, Samsung, is reducing smartphone production by 30 million units. Maybe it's the chip shortage, maybe I don't know other reasons. But in India, at least, they are exiting the sub 15,000 rupees mark off. So they're not gonna sell any phone which is less than 15,000. That's like almost $200. So all these empty phones now would be more than $200 in India. Yeah, that's what they've made announcement. Realme Pad X got launched in China, so Realme is bullish on launching tablets. Every other company will do that because at least tablets are getting a new life because Google made some changes to that. Let's see what happens with Android tablets. So yeah, a lot of phones are getting released. At least 15 of them so far are getting released with SD8 plus Gen 1 processor, which is the second half of the year where you are gonna have like June is almost here, so July is second half, or June is second half. So yes, there are phones from Asus, Samsung, of course the Z Flip 4, Z Flip 4, and Z Fold 4. All of these phones, Asus, Samsung, LG, not LG, which is dead. But a lot of companies, every phone company is gonna release phones with this processor, SD8 plus Gen 1. Realme GT Neo 3T is coming. The global launch is confirmed, and Snapdragon 870 is the processor. WhatsApp is reportedly allowing you to save disappearing messages. Why? Like, the whole point of disappearing messages is they should be disappearing. But I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, that's the news. Google Drive finally gets a shortcut to copy and paste files. Honor Watch GS3 has a page on Amazon India and it's getting released. I am not a big fan of Honor watches. I have two of them. This is a Honor Watch GS and this is Honor Magic Watch 2. They both abandoned, literally no updates. Not happy with Honor. I would never purchase an Honor products now, not even phones. Let's see how it goes, how people, and what would the price. In India, it's all about price. If it's price low, maybe people will buy it. Xiaomi Leica partnership. This is news all around, everywhere around the world. Leica had partnership with Huawei earlier on. Of course, Huawei is dead to the rest of the world except in China, and so Leica now went to Xiaomi. Whether this would be just a branding, whether the phones would have great cameras, we'll know soon. Some phones, at least two of them, are coming as early as next month or even July. Google's Pixel Fold is delayed. It will not launch anytime until late 2023, so after the first half of June, July, whatever they do the event, second half of 2023, 1 year late. Facebook launches avatars in India, so you can go to Messenger and see avatars. You can Instagram, you can see avatars. Yeah, it's just a country-wise launch. It was launched in US, India as well. That's it. See you next Sunday. Hopefully, if I get to do it, if I'm not lazy, if I'm not too busy, and I do my videos on Sunday. Take care. Talk to you soon.